Possibly the biggest coupon shock was the rationing of clothes. Little Willie's trousers may have been cut down, but a woman's dress. Well, of course, the number of coupons for this and that became the problem of the moment. And this is how it all worked out. Total 66. Mere man had to do a bit of fiddling too. For the same number of coupons, this is what he'd get. Total clickety-click. A girl, we suppose, could manage with a hat and a blanket. Or even a hat. But man would be reduced to rolling out the barrel, driven to drink for lack of clothes. See how much margarine great-grandmama wore. Wasn't she extravagant?
Isn't it marvelous? A mink coat used to cost 500 guineas. Now you can get one for only 14 margarine coupons.
Armour isn't rationed, so Dad could sack the cook in perfect safety.
Take a week's notice.
And now it's